I had our team at Innovative Medicine kind of focus in on these 10, and I just want to go over it also. And we'll link to the actual article of this, but these are my thoughts on it and why I actually agree with each of these. Starting with number 1, boosting brain health. I think this is one of the most underappreciated things about health, because if you don't have brain health, you're basically, again, playing a losing game. This is not about, so many of us may not have certain energy or may have some organs that are like your liver a little bit off here and there. When your brain health is deteriorating or not at 100%, everything is off. You can't think straight. You can't actually act in a certain way that you need to perform. So one of the things that we said is you got to focus not just on the brain, but the gut, your second brain. And I think one of the X factors here in what you should be utilizing is NAD. I can't say this enough. I do NAD infusions. I've used nasal sprays. I do Nadovim every single day. It's the supplement that I really can't live without in a sense, because as much as you need all sorts of different, nutrients and everything else, NAD powers your mitochondria. And what other organ, can you think of that really, really needs energy more so than the brain? There isn't any. It takes up 20% of all your energy needs, and approximately 37 trillion mitochondria are housed there. I mean, that's one thing you got to be looking at. So if you want a better 2023, banish brain fog and banish that brain fatigue, not in a way that's like coffee. That'll give you a little bit of a stimulation for a short period of time, but then you'll drop off and feel actually worse. Do something to really replenish what can get your brain going in NAD.